Hello mga kapatid, so I will share with you all the Chinese soup. Ito yung tinatawag nilang soup guys, na mushroom soup. So andun na yung ingredients guys. I-blanch mo muna yung meat at saka yung chestnut. Tapos hugasan nyo ito yung goji berries. At lahat guys, hugasan nyo. Kasi syempre may mga alikabok yun. Kasi dried ingredients. So and then you chop carrots into this. Huwag sobrang malaki. And then, you need, after blanch the pork, you need to rinse it, clean it. Tanggalin nyo yung mga, alam nyo yung parang blood na naluto na. Basta tanggalin nyo yun, hugasan nyo ng maayos. Pati na din yung chestnut. And after that, guys, so yan, hugasan nyo na. So, set aside muna. And then, after that, you put on the pork. Dapat naka-boil na kayo ng water sa pot nyo para madali lang. And then, ito naman yung mushrooms. So, hindi ko alam kung tawag dito sa mushrooms, pero dried mushrooms ito na nabibili dito. So, ayan, ganyan yung mushrooms na nilalagay. So, pasarap tong mushrooms ito eh. And then, you need to take out some the dirt there, na may makita kayo mga black-black, and then yung color white, tatanggalin nyo yun siya. And then, hugasan nyo. Dapat itong mushrooms ay sinusoak siya ng more than 30 minutes para maging malambot. So, ayan. Then, you rinse it properly until na mag-clear yung water, guys. Huwag yung brown water. Tapos, hugasan nyo siya ng maayos talaga. Kasi kapag hindi siya hugasan ng maayos, iba na yung lasa nun. So, dapat malinis siya. So, malinis, syempre, masarap din yung pagkain. After nyan, ilagay nyo din siya doon sa, ayan o, dapat clear. So, ilagay nyo din siya doon sa pot. And then, just boil for 2 hours, guys. 2 hours lang yung pagbo-boil niya. And then, that's it. After 2 hours, guys, yun na may masarap na kayong soup. So, this is the mushroom soup and Chinese soup, guys. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. If nagustuhan niyo itong video, God bless you and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always.